Here is my 1980s KDK by Patton oscillating table fan with blue blades. I got this fan a few months ago from my mom's friend. She said that she had a fan in her basement that she didn't use, and she showed it to me, and after knowing that this was what it was, I gladly told her that I would like to have it, and luckily she gave it to me. Now this is one of my favorite fans in my collection. Now it works well, it's in good condition, and on the high speed it runs well, but on the low and medium speed the blades barely spin up, and this thing desperately needs oil. So I'm going to be doing a project on this fan. I'm going to be doing a video series on it. This is part 1, which is the initial checkout. Part 2 will be a YouTube short video, me oiling the motor, just putting some oil in it because it needs some oil. It also needs to be cleaned up a little better. And part 3 will be a video of it after the full restoration. So yeah, let me start by showing this fan. Here's the base. As you can see, it says by Patton. Here's the side of it. And then here's the back of it. There's the motor housing in there. And this fan is very cool. It's very cool looking. It's just very cool in general. So yeah, now that's shown. My GoPro is starting to run low on battery, so I'm switching to using my phone. I think for most fan videos, I'll just continue using my phone. So yeah, there isn't anything really worth noting on the bottom. It just says a warning label, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, let me go ahead and demonstrate this fan running. I'll show about how on low and medium it barely spins up, but on high is pretty much the equivalent of what this fan would be running, of how this fan would be running on low. Now I'm going to run it without the oscillation, just because it's kind of pointless for me to run it with it. So yeah, let me start off on low. See, it really needs oil. Like, look at that. On the speed it's a little better, but and then let me demonstrate on high. It has a really nice motor hum. That's another thing I like about this fan. A really nice nostalgic motor hum. Looks a good enough there. These fans were just very good quality. So yeah, it's been running for about 3 minutes now, and you can see that it's pretty much at 100% now. It's like running how it would normally run on the speed, so that's good. Still needs oil though. So yeah, we'll see how medium looks. And well, yeah, you can see it noticeably still needs oil. So yeah, there it is. Thank you for watching. I'll make a video of this next in about maybe a few days to a week, maybe all the way up to a week. And that's when you'll next see this fan. Over and out.